Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Press and hold the Surface power button for 30 seconds until the screen and any lights go completely dark. Once done, release the power button and make sure to wait 10 seconds so the device fully resets internally. You're not turning it on yet. Instead, get ready to press and hold volume up and power simultaneously in the next step. Performing this clears stuck firmware states and is the safe initial hard reset action for Surface Pro models. Now press and hold volume up and power together for about 15 seconds. You'll feel it initiate a firmware level reset. After 15 seconds, release both buttons and don't touch anything. The screen might flash or stay blank. That's normal. Make sure to wait another 10 to 15 seconds so the hardware registers the reset. Then press power once briefly to attempt a normal boot into Windows or UEFI. This sequence forces the Surface into a clean hardware state without data wipes. When the device restarts, you may boot straight into Windows. If not, choose Troubleshoot then Reset or use a USB recovery drive. You should make sure to remove external keyboards, hubs, or drives before recovery because peripherals can block boot paths. If the Surface remains unresponsive, repeat the two-button shutdown once more. Don't repeatedly force power beyond the described timings. If problems persist after a second attempt, contact Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.